Diba? Almost. Ayan mga kalindol.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away.
Ayan, hello mga kalindog. Today, we're going to make a chicken turbo or turbo chicken. Ayan, I put some, I already prepared the chicken. So I put some, what do you call that, the fish sauce, and a little bit, what do you call that, salt, and rosemary. Ayan, look at this. And I put inside, of course, the celery and the, what do you call that, the spring onion. Ayan guys, oh, I put inside, and now we're going to put in the turbo. But anyways, we need to leave this like a 30 minutes only, and then we're gonna put on the turbo, right? Ayan mga kalindog, just only like that. And I will prepare also the carrots. I'm gonna put inside for the turbo. So we're going to make gravy, diba? Ano yung gravy? Ano ba tawag? Yeah, I think that's gravy. In sauce, or like the sauce for this chicken later. Ayan guys, I almost done the chicken. I will put already inside, and then we're gonna prepare now the turbo, and we're gonna cook for more than 1 hour or 2 hours. Ayan, no? We're gonna put first the low fire, or I mean low heat, and then in 1 hour we're gonna make a whole high the heat, and then after that we will see. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano siya, okay? And then we're gonna peel up these carrots. We're gonna put inside, and I will show you guys, okay? So wait. Ayan mga kalindog, we're here in balkon. Ayan. So ayan mga kalindog, pakita ko sa inyo yung turbo, kung paano siya. Ilalagay ko siya dito sa labas kasi matagal, and it's a little bit longer when make a chicken turbo. Ayan, no? I show you. There we go mga kalindog, ayan yung turbo. So ayan, lagay natin itong carrots. Yan lang siya sa tabi. Ayan, only like that. And then after that, you know, here is now the chicken. Ayan ang chicken, diba? So we need to put here the chicken, kasi itong chicken is already wait, sila natin ha. Ayan, so there we go mga kalindog. The chicken is already, I did it. Ayan, so ganyan lang siya, ne? And of course, ayan, ilagay na natin ang, diba? So there we go mga kalindog. This is the cover. Ayan. Ayan guys, yan na yung ating turbo machine. Dali lang ha. So ayan mga kalindog, ito yung turbo. Ayan, lagay na natin siya. Let us make on. Ayan, diba? So ayan, yan lang siya. Pero tama nga ba? Ayan, this is right. Or better way. Mga kalindog, ano ba yun? Steak di dose. Ewan ko, Dutch, German yan. So, sinaksak ko na, and then we're gonna turn on our turbo. Ayan. So, gagawin natin is first, the temperature or yung heat niya is only wait, let's put in the first 150 kasi kailangan muna siyang small. Ayan, and then ayan, gawin natin siya ng 1 hour. Yan na mga kalindog. Let's see kung nag-work na siya. Oh wait, dali. Ayan, tas on. Ayan mga kalindog, Gawin ko na siya. Yung turbo natin. Ayan, we will wait ng 1 hour. Ang kanyang temperature is 150 and then 1 hour, okay? So, ayan mga kalindog, ang ating turbo. Tayin natin siya ng maluto. So, ayan mga kalindog, nagkakakulay na siya, nagiging dark brown. So, we need to, ayan, ano natin siya, i-flip natin. Let us, wait. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? So, ganyan siya. So, kailangan na natin siya. Ayan mga kalindog. Put natin siya. Let us put this chicken. Very good. So, and then let's put back again the cover and turn on. So, until na it's going to cook. Ayan guys, almost done. Brush. Vanish. So, ayan. Let us flip again. Yan. Lutong na siya. Diba? Almost. Yan mga kalindol. So. So, ayan na guys. Ayan ang ating chicken. Ayan. Nakalimutan ko. Tapos meron tayong spaghetti. Ayan o. Tinanggal ko siya. Ayan. Diba? Very crunchy siya. Ito ang masarap. Diba? So ayan kanyang sauce. So ayan mga kalindog. Let's eat. Ayan guys. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Ayan. Thanks sa inyo. And thank you all for support again. And thank you for watching. I hope did you enjoy my video, my chicken turbo, diba? So bye. Thank you so much. Mwah.